Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and I'm so excited to show you this hidden gem of the south of Europe, Menorca. This is really a must-see destination, and I'm here to share it with you. Let's escape to this idyllic park. If you're ready to embark on this journey, hit the like button and leave a comment telling me what you'd like to see next. As we walk around, the greenery and clear sky instantly put us in a refreshing, pleasant mood. The perfect Mediterranean climate creates a wonderful natural atmosphere. The beaches are definitely a sight to behold. With its incredible cliffs, crystal clear seas, this beach is a blessing for your eyes. You can just feel the spirit of authenticity in every corner of the island. From the architecture and monuments to the traditional restaurants, you will not be bored. Not to mention the delightful local cuisine, fresh seafood and tapas. The taste of local dishes will make your mouth water. This is the perfect spot to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. You can take the time to let your mind wander and start dreaming of that next vacation. Especially here, it's really easy to get lost in the moment and enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you simply want to swim in the warm waters or want an adventure, you certainly won't be bored. I'm so glad I could share this experience with you. I hope you liked my tour of Menorca. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to join more of my travels. See you next time and have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.